Okay, so now, after we found the standard form of the parabola, we got it as 4 over 3x squared minus 16 over 3x plus 4. Okay, using the x-intercept form, 1 and 3, substitute, simplify, get it in standard form. Now they want the turning point D, which is exactly in the middle between 1 and 3, so it's going to be 2. Okay, so remember there's two ways of finding the turning point. There's two ways. You can either add the two x values, divide by 2, find the middle. Okay, take that middle, 2, put it into the function, there, put it into the function, put 2 in the function, and see what's your y-intercept, or your y value for the turning point. Then that gives you negative 4 over 3. Negative 4 over 3. So then you know it's negative 4 over 3. Or the other option, okay, is to use the x equal to negative b over 2a. Remember, negative b over 2a also shows you what's the middle. But here it was easy because you had 1 and 3. You see the middle is 2. Okay? But let's say you had the standard form. Let's say you had the standard form, but you didn't have your x-intercepts. Okay? You didn't have the graph. You just had the standard form. And you need to find the turning point. Then you can take negative b over 2a. So it's going to be negative b, which is negative 16 over 3, over 2a, which is 4 over 3. 4 over 3. So it's 2a, 2 times 4 over 3. And when you simplify this, you're going to get the same answer, x equal to 2. So then you find this, the x value also. I can maybe just say here, it's 2a, so just be careful. Don't think it's 2 and 4 over 3, it's 2 multiplied. So rather put it in brackets, it's 2 multiplied by 4 over 3 to get the x equal to 2. And then again, you can take the 2 and put it in here, and you can find the y value for the turning point. Okay. Okay, so if we want to find k, intersection of the two graphs, we have to put the two graphs equal to each other. Okay, and then we solve it. So we take the function f, put it equal to the function of g, put them equal to each other, and then we solve it. Okay, so when you put the function that we already got earlier equal to the straight line and you simplify, you're eventually going to get here, which means x is equal to 0, or 8x minus 35 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to 35 over 8. So x equal to 0 is this intersection here. So 35 over 8 will be this intersection here. Then you take the 35 over 8 and put it somewhere into the easier one, which is the straight line. So you can say, therefore, y will be a half times 35 over 8. Okay, half times 35 over 8 plus 4. And then you get your y value. And then you get your coordinate of k. Okay, so when we substitute 35 over 8 into the... You can also put it into the parabola if you want to. It's just more work into the parabola. It's easier to put it in the straight line because they both intersect it. So they get the same y value there at k. So when you put the 35 over 8 into the straight line half x plus 4, it's half 35 over 8 plus 4, it gives you 99 over 16. So k is 35 over 8, 99 over 16. That's the coordinates of k.